Hello, good evening, Paranormal Cyclist here. So I think today we're gonna do a Requiem session. So medyo maingay siya sa social media ngayon. So I think we're gonna ask Requiem how we feel about this fame again. You know what I mean? Okay. Hello, is there anybody here that could help me reach out to Requiem? Hello. Hello. I'd like to reach out to Requiem. Hey, hello. Hello. May I speak to Requiem, please? I think the effects Hello. Rico, may I speak with you? So I'm using Happy Droid goes back to my portal box. So currently I'm using this 150 watt speaker to so that I can hear it better. Hello, Rico. Can you hear me? I'm using FM sweep, FM band. Hello. Could you please tell me your name? Hello. I'd like to reach out to Rico Yan. He's a very famous actor back in the 90s, and I think he died 20 years ago in 2002, if I'm not mistaken. Hello. So, how are you, Rico? Yes, I'm good. Where are you now? Are you into the are you in the light? I heard yeah. Okay. Rico, do you have any message to me? I am. Oh, heard wala. Can you use this device to speak with me, Rico? I heard my name, Mudge. Oh, nice. So are you in the light right now? Are you at peace? So I heard yeah. So what I'm tinkering here, it's the noise gate. I'm opening and closing the gate so that it wouldn't be too noisy. Okay, I'm opening it again. Do you have any messages to your family? Yes. Do you have any messages to your fans? Especially now medyo sumisikat ka ulit even though you have passed away few years back. I heard nice. Could you please tell me your name? Okay, thank you. If you came through, thank you for taking this time. So I'm just testing this out, this device. Do you like it? I heard yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna close the session in 5 seconds. Please do not follow me. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it. We used the Happy Droid and put it in the noise gate, reverb into the speaker. So it sounds quite good. So thank you, Rico. If you came through, okay, that's our quick session. Paranormal Cyclist out.